A very good morning, class 11th and 12th. We are going to do the test of anions, sulfite. This is again another anion belonging to the first set of anions which respond to dilute sulfuric acid. This is a white salt that we are using. You will not be knowing what kind of a salt it is. It is a crystalline salt. Look, it is not like a powder like we did for carbonate. This is a crystalline salt. So you will take this salt for your testing. You also will require a potassium dichromate solution which is orange in color, dilute sulfuric acid for the evolution of gas, a barium chloride solution for a confirmatory test, and hydrochloric acid concentrated for the dissolving of the PPT. My student Shayan will be performing the experiment now. Hi Shayan.
Hello ma'am.
Hi. Now he will be taking a pinch of the salt. For anions you always use the pinch of the salt, not the solution. To this pinch of the salt he will add dilute sulfuric acid and we will observe the gas evolution. This is the addition. Please have a close look. There is mild bubbles, mild fine bubbles. It is not like the brisk effervescence. Very fine bubbles are being evolved. And look at, have a look. These fine bubbles you can smell. Shine, try to smell it. What is the smell like?
It's pungent.
It's pungent. It's a pungent smelling gas. Now to confirm, you need to add some amount of potassium dichromate solution to it. This orange colored solution will be added to this solution of the same test tube. So this, he is adding the potassium dichromate to the same test tube. And that's it. You can clearly see the two colors. Please show the two colors together. Shan, show the orange also. You can see the change of color is from orange to green. This is like our national flag. So your sulfite test resembles the national flag. The orange colored potassium dichromate solution turns green owing to the presence of sulfite in the salt. We also have a second confirmatory test for sulfite, for which you will be requiring the original salt solution, for which you will again take a pinch of salt. To this salt you will add some water to make a salt solution. This salt solution which he is preparing is also called as, so you will make the solution, shake it properly so that the solution gets made. This is also called as the OS in some books, or it is called as a WS, water extract, and OS is for the original solution. The confirmatory test for sulfite is to be done in this solution. You will be adding some amount of barium chloride solution to this solution of salt, the OS of sulfite. On adding barium chloride, you can see this turns into a white PPT. So now this is the white PPT formed of barium sulfite. Now this test is still pending. You need to confirm this further by adding concentrated HCl. This PPT should dissolve. If the PPT does not dissolve, we will say it was sulfate. But if the PPT dissolves, you will say it is sulfite. So now he will add the concentrated HCl to it and we will see, and we see that it turns clear, which means the PPT has dissolved. So the conclusion is, for sulfite testing with barium chloride, when you try to dissolve it in concentrated HCl, the PPT dissolves. Agar ye na dissolve hota, to we would have said it is sulfate. Fine. So these are the two confirmatory tests for sulfite. One is with potassium dichromate, which was an orange colored liquid, and the test gave you a deep green colored solution. And the second is with barium chloride. With this we come to the end of the testing of sulfite. Please do the chemical tests properly and identify them in your practical examinations. Do well, prepare good for your viva, stay healthy, stay safe.